So this is for slide 13 through 16. Here's a bar chart or a bar graph. And again, even though in this case there are numbers on the horizontal line, the bars have a gap between them. And so this is technically a bar graph. This is also a bar graph because the horizontal number line has categories. Now, I like to stick to bar graphs for categorical data and histograms for numerical data. That makes it a little easier. That's why I kind of hesitated on this one, because I tend to think when the horizontal axis is numerical that we're in histogram. But Google Sheets always takes even numerical data and leaves gaps between the bars, so that's not technically a histogram. So this is a good summary of the difference between the two. Gaps, no gaps, categories on the horizontal axis versus number ranges in this case, or number values, or you could just say a number line on the horizontal axis. And again, the vertical axis is either frequency or relative frequency. In this case, it looks like it's frequency. This is how Google Sheets presented some data that I gathered from my students. What do you not like about this graph? Well, what I don't like is that it just put all the answers along the horizontal axis without noticing that there's a 7-inch jump here and only a 1-inch jump here. 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 0.6, 0.4, 0.5. It's just treating them all like they're equally spaced, so that's a distorted visual effect. What we should do is create a categorical frequency table. I'm sorry, not a categorical, a grouped frequency table with categories so that we can capture those decimals without listing them as different values in this graph. Okay, so we're going to go to page 3 of the activity now.